Right, this is Kirkheaton bells. A minute. So this is Kirkheaton Parish Church bells, so I shall get this boy in here. And I'll get that little one in a minute. After I've done him over here. Don't mind if they're down, it's okay. $1987. That's where the sound comes from, that window over there. I'm just fixing the stay on that second bell behind me there, so sorry, I'm hitting my head then. So. I'm not going to have room in here when they're all ringing about. I might as well just do it when they're just standing downwards. Just let me just move. You've got some more room there. So you've got room for yourself there. And you get the one at the back. I'm not on my own up here, I'm with a friend who's keen on bell ringing like myself. And who told me to make Jules playing with my friends. I'll get that little one in a minute when that's finished. Is that the 7th bell?
That's a tenner.
Oh, is that the tenner? Where's the 7th bell then?
The 7th bell is that corner.
Oh, is that the one? Oh yeah, I can see it now. I'm looking for the clock hammer that whacks the bell. Well, it's turned off anyway, so it won't make any noise when we're here.
No, it won't.
No. Good sensible locations. That's what it's called. Is this the treble bell?
No, that's the 3rd.
That's the 3rd, is it, that I need? So what's the one is that the 2nd?
I'm on the 2nd.
Right. So I need to get the 2nd in a minute. So now I can get him in. Get all the little ones. That's the year of the bells that came here, 1987. And the Loughborough's bells, not Whitechapel's these, so you can read that.
Right, can I go across to it, please?
Where do you want to go?
I'm going to go across the 5th.
Okay, what I'll do is I'll turn around.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
You just come right back to the wall. And
I'm gonna sit on the platform. Go on then. So these are the louvers, what I'm just holding on to. So let me get this little boy here. That one's finished. I'm not videoing people on YouTube, I'm just videoing some bells that I've not even seen for a long time. Talking's alright, but not the people without the permission. So that's the second that you've just done, so hopefully we'll be able to ring that. The only way to watch them swinging is going on that platform, but I don't really want to risk going up there because
Can't do that tonight.
No, I'm not bothered if it's just here, it's fine as long as I can come here. But I'm not doing it in winter, it's too dark in winter months. Got the frame. Just hold on. Sorry, I think I got you in a little bit then. That's that wooden bit here, what I've got now is a wooden stay, that. So when the bell swings, that goes round underneath and then back round again. So, and that's the big wheel that turns them when you're swinging. What number's that made a sound?
Is that this one? That's
No.
4.
Was it that one that made a sound?
Probably, yeah.
5.
5,
So,
yeah.
you said there was a bird in here, you were telling us the other day.
Yes, it was on the floor, but it's probably gone out now.
And they said there's a louver that's broken in here somewhere that needs replacing to a new one. I don't know where it is. Oh, birds. Black crows.
Yeah, rooks.
You up?
Rook.
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 You know the difference between rooks and crows?
Yeah.
What?
And the beak and
Yeah.
make a different sound.
Crows are solitary, so they
Alright.
go about just on their own. Rooks are the ones that go about in a flock,
Alright, I see.
and that's why you get a rookery, where they all nest, whereas crows just have their own nest. Right, I want to come out now.
You want to come out?
Yep.
Okay, let me just turn around. I'll just go to
Be careful, don't slip.
there's somebody behind me. And that's where you go down the clock room, is that? Down there. There we are. Give them another whirl for a few seconds. It's there. It's down there. It's behind these louvers. Fantastic. Listen. Crows in a bell tower. Right, so
I'm going down.
yeah. Yeah, and just get the big one there for a second.